ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Trading Manager with GDM. Today's session outlook. Firstly, we're going to start Asian markets. They traded mixed on Monday as the dollar strengthened and it took a slight breathe. And of course, oil prices surged. As we can see from the board, Chinese shares were in positive territory with the Shanghai Composite going up about 0.6% or about 25.4 points at 3218.7. Respectively, the Shenzhen Composite finished up about 0.36% or about 7.67 points at 2118.94. Japanese 225 closed up about 0.78% or about 138.80 points on the declining yen. Of course, it stalled slightly as the dollar rose to 1.11.20 in the Asian sessions, as of course investors positioned ahead of the US Thanksgiving holiday later in the week. Right now the yen is slightly higher, 110.78. That's 27% higher, and that's about 0.30 on the yen. Monday morning the dollar strengthened, of course, on rising oil prices as the pan-European stock 600 index in the European markets is down about 0.28% or about 0.24 points after opening in positive territories. Basic resources outperformed, of course, their peers, rising nearly 2% on rising metal prices. Respectively, the rest of the markets, the FTSE 100 is up about 16.85 points or about 0.25%. DAX is up 4.25 points or slightly 0.05%. Expectations that Trump's presidency will unleash a higher inflation and lead to faster than expected Federal Reserve interest rate increase have helped power up the US currency. As we can see from the board, the euro, however, switched slightly higher this morning at 1.0643 or about 0.56%, about 59 pips higher, away from Friday's 11-month low of 1.0570. Sterling was little changed, down to 1.2438 or about 0.02%. Gold was higher in the Asian trading on Monday, snapping 3-session losing streak, helped by physical demand. Of course, after the metal slid to 5.5-month low on Friday, gold was up about 0.55% at 15.35 in early European trade. Oh, that's about $6.65. Bullion has also been pressured by talk on an interest rate hike in December by the Federal Reserve. The markets now price up about 94% chance on the Fed hiking rates by 25 basis points on the meeting at December 14. Oil prices rose about 1% on Monday as producer cartel OPEC moved closer to an output cut that rein oversupply and that has kept prices low for about 2 years. US West Texas Intermediate crude was up about 1.28% at $47.10 a barrel, and that's about 0.74 to the dollar up north. And of course, production cut has also been on signs of ongoing market weakness. We can see that Japan, the world's fourth largest oil consumer, on Monday posted a fall of 9.5% in crude oil imports in October, the same from the same month a year earlier to 2.78 million barrels per day. There's, of course, as we can see, bye-bye.